You searched how to buy shares of GRDN Pharmacy Services Inc., and this short guide will show the practical steps to find and purchase GRDN. GRDN Pharmacy Services Inc. operates in the pharmacy services sector. The stock trades on NASDAQ under the ticker GRDN, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will typically need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker GRDN to locate GRDN Pharmacy Services Inc. Make sure you select the correct NASDAQ listing for the company. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent performance. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to purchase, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order will either schedule for the next session or execute as a pending order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade completes. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes, and you can monitor it there. For the example link I used, check the description below for the eToro link.